Welcome everyone. This is Rebecca Monet at Zorakle Profiles. Today I want to talk to you about your ideal franchisee, specifically the values of your ideal franchisee. Zorakle Profiles provides profiling tools to franchisors and franchise brokers. The goal is to help you create a right fit between a prospective franchisee and your franchise system. Our tools are based on 7 statistically validated sciences, one of which I want to talk to you about today, values. Specifically, I want to talk about the importance of values. Values are the why that somebody does a particular thing. It's the motives, the drivers of an individual. When we have values alignment between a prospective franchisee and a franchisor, we have a greater way of communicating, understanding each other, and much greater harmony and compatibility. So the goal is always values alignment. But values alignment also builds strong brand recognition. By a franchisee communicating or expressing the values that you possess as a franchisor and being in alignment with that, it creates a brand that is highly recognizable at the unit level, which of course is what we want. But most importantly, the values alignment between a ZOR and a franchisee will create higher financial performance. Again and again, we see when we have values alignment between a franchisor and a franchisee, not only are we more harmonious, not only do we have a greater basis for common decisions, not only do we have a stronger brand recognition out there, but at a unit level economics, the franchisee is performing better. So let's talk about the values of what we would call an achiever and see if you recognize this individual and see if this is your ideal franchisee. So the achiever is a business-oriented individual who is all about return on investment and wants and needs to feel in control. Now, there are individuals that prefer structure over and predictability over risk. So that doesn't mean they're risk averse. It simply means that they are calculated and that they are looking for systems and processes that are somewhat proven so they can predict where the future of that franchise is going. They are equally committed to work and to family. Family and building a business is about duty. It's about not just providing for and protecting the family, but it's about building a legacy, and it's about building an empire, something that can be passed on to the family in one way or another. The achiever lives their life structured around business, around church, and around family. So they are in many ways conventional, and oftentimes you will find that they are politically conservative. If not politically conservative, you will find that they are fiscally conservative. So they enjoy and are attracted to products and services that are unique, that in some way are the best in class. At the same time, they are economical buyers. They cannot resist a great deal. And every decision that an achiever makes is a decision that is for the long haul. These are long-term business builders. They're going to be around for an extended period of time. When we look at the values of the achiever, first and foremost, the prime directive of an achiever is power, personal control, and this will express itself in the business of that achiever. They want to dominate a marketplace. They want to grow and they want to replicate. So results and achievement is what life is all about for them. But they want to do so with a product or service that is best in class or high quality. Ultimately, what the achiever wants is to leave a legacy. So as you can see, the achiever is someone that would likely make an individual that could grow a substantial business because of his desire to control the marketplace. He's going to do whatever is necessary to make that happen. Some of the concerns of the achiever is that they're not going to be the best. They're not going to be unique. They're not going to be in control or able to leave a legacy. So I can tell you, once an achiever is in a system, especially if it's the right system for them, they're going to rise to the top, especially if it's a business that's replicatable and is providing a product or service that is quite unique. So, is the achiever the right franchisee for your franchise system? If your business is a scalable and replicable business, the achiever is not just going to be attracted to that, but they likely are going to be a very good fit. Achievers respect authority, and they respect timelines, they respect budgets, and they respect rules. If these things are important to you, someone who's not going to reinvent the wheel, then the achiever might just be the right guy for you. Does your company provide high quality products and services? Something that is unique to that particular vertical that you are in? If so, the achiever will take notice and will be interested. Sometimes the achiever might be an absentee owner. If your business allows for that, he might be a great fit. Don't worry, he's great at managing others, empowering others, and keeping others accountable. So if you have a business that allows absentee owners, or it's a management business where he can grow that business through others, he likely is going to be a good fit. Can your franchisees build equity and or legacy income with your business model? If so, the achiever would be an excellent fit. He always has the end in mind. He wants equity when he exits, or he wants some kind of residual legacy income that he's going to garner from that business when he's ready to step out of it down the road. Achievers want to own, even dominate, a marketplace. So if your franchise concept allows for area developer agreements or multi-unit operators, then the achiever might be a great option for your franchise brand. If your business allows for a great deal of autonomy and control, an achiever would be a great fit. Achievers don't want somebody breathing down their neck, but they do want you to have strong and replicatable systems and processes in place. So Z to Zor right fit franchisees is exactly what you want. A right fit franchisee, a compatible franchisee, is going to validate better. They're going to be more satisfied. They're going to protect your brand equity. They're going to retain longer, and they're going to cost you less to train and support. And most importantly, a right fit franchisee is going to have much stronger performance. Should you want more specific information on what causes someone to be an ideal franchisee within your system, feel free to reach out to us directly at Zorakle Profiles. We look forward to helping you determine exactly who the ideal candidate is for your franchise system.